name is Pedro Jose Silva Aguirre. I am commercial advisor student at Sena. Today I am going to present my poster about derivatives. And derivatives organism collected of information that can be asked and opened easily. In cells based on organism story there and clear and stocking way. Derivatives and use schools, company, hospital, homes, and ways. This makes to find and match information. The main components are table get the days stock record of are vesicular piece of information. First sheet contain the days current use of share of life. These schools show result clearly. Some these morph out. You should provide information, use most create password secure. You can organize them as categories. Diversity are searching in studies digital words. Thank you.